Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a wall hanging using some scripture cards that I got from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I remember during Easter time, they had a 12 pack, I believe, in the box of these prayer cards, which I think are going to work out absolutely wonderful for this decor. So let's jump into the video, guys. So I showed you the picture frame, and this is some cardstock. I got that from Michael's. Now the picture inside of the frame, I'm going to go ahead and save for a different project later on. So we will be using that white apple barrel paint, some gems. There is the paintbrush, and let's get into the video, guys. Everything I'm using to create this craft is down in the description box below. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're pulling the prongs back and we're removing the backing and the picture from the frame along with the glass, because what we're going to do next is paint the frame in white. So here I'm using the glue gun to glue the cardstock down to the backing. And then we're going to use the prayer cards. We're going to do the same thing with that. We're going to line them up where we want them, find the placement for them, and then just put a little bit of glue just so that they don't move in the frame, and then we'll get that all set up. So right here, I decided to get the gems so that I can bling out the frame because I'm loving my gems. So that's what I'll be doing all the way around the frame, and in no particular order or size. So here we place a nice twine bow on the corner with a little gem, and now we have something that looks a little bit rustic glam. So guys, if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.